really don't have flashlights. Only flashlight I got is that cheap, free Harbor Freight one. Let's see. Try to get this in one shot. What's this? Oh, yeah, it's that charging thing. I'm gonna have multiple stuff I could charge. Is it in the shot? Damn, this is some bright ass light. Oh, I like that. I love buttons. Yeah. Heck yeah. My voice feels a little shot. Get something. Yes. I heard people like it better than the Snap-on one. My buddy, he has a couple of Snap-on ones, and then he bought himself some of these, and he said he really liked them. I could just open this up. Yeah. So now I could, without the power supply or that, I could just hook up this USB thing to that outlet I just installed. Eliminate this. What's this one? Just a small one? Oh, different. Okay. Yeah, let's see how that's gonna work. Oh, what the heck? Oh, okay. Damn, my voice feels jacked up. Oh, I'm excited. Oh yeah. Okay, that goes there. I wanted something like that. Maybe lower. Maybe it could be like that. And then I can have my lights like that. You get it? You get me? Let's see if it's bright. It's 1, 2, 3. Off. 1, 2, 3. Is that pretty cool? Let's try the dark. Yeah. Not bad. Yeah, that shines pretty well. Alright, let's go under the car. That's where I'll be using it most. Oh yeah. I dig it. I think it said it had 720 lumens. And what I also like is this little fitting where you can put it on the tripods, or you know, the thing that takes those. I believe the Snap-on doesn't have that. And then of course magnetize, and this can flip all the way around. You get it. I placed these little wood spacers because I noticed these shop lights, they're getting pretty hot on the back, and it was I felt heat transfer going to the wood, and I didn't like that. So maybe this little gap will allow it to breathe or something. I like that USB outlet so much. I went on Amazon and bought some more, but I don't like it. It's kind of, well, it makes a funny noise. Let's see. Yeah. So I thought it was just this one. Then I tried the other one, same thing. Then I thought maybe it's in this wire feed or something. And so I went to a completely different line, or it goes to a different breaker, and it did the same thing. So 3 of them doing the same thing. I know my wiring's decent. That one up there that I got at, I think, Home Depot, works absolutely fine. Charges well, no noise, and stays cool. Normal, basically. But these, yeah, these Amazon ones, yeah, it's a no-go for me. Something's iffy about them. I don't like it. Okay, before I open this box, I'm going to redo it again. I'm going to try with the bottom, and then I'm going to do the wires on the top just to see if maybe there's a certain direction. Shouldn't be. And I'm doing this one because it's pretty simple. Unlike that one's like kind of like a mess. But alright, so I got, let's see if I could. Okay, there we go. Now let me just hold this little safety tab down. Still makes that noise. Okay, now let me try the top. Okay, as you see, I got it on the top now. Let's see. Oh yes, I still hear it. I don't know if the phone's picking that up, but it's still there. Oh yeah, I like this setup a lot better. Everything's tucked away. The wire, they're all just straight, and you can just go direct in. You kind of bottom out and just tighten. So it's live. Let me see. Here's my little flashlight. USB. Get in there. There we go. It's charging in absolute silence. Radio. There we go. All right. I really like this USB stuff now. Kind of makes you want to do them all. So now I got one there too, and right here. But this one has both. It got the A and C type. I get them mixed up. I forgot why I was doing this video. But yeah, there's the shelf. I got it lined up with this beam. So this little wood piece is holding it for support. More support from the wires, because I got all my heavy car parts up there. Even got a torque converter with some fluid, and it's holding up pretty well. I believe I got 12 carburetors up there, and everything seems fine. Like I said, I had this little gap here because the wood was getting hot, but now I notice it doesn't get hot no more, so that's good. No heat transfer. Yeah, I'm still working on my wall, trying to get all the tools I use the most out so I don't have to keep going to the toolbox. Oh yeah, I like this little charging station. That came out real nice. It got the individual buttons. I like buttons. Like today, it's nice and bright. I don't need these shop lights on. This switch activates these outlets up here. So everything's on. If I just need one, of course. Yeah, it came out nice. Ooh. And let's say I'm done. I want to call it a day. Just turn everything off. That should turn off. There we go. The bottom switch goes to the air compressor and the AC. Yeah, I got the main wire coming in here, goes to this guy, shoots this way, and of course top goes to top, bottom goes to bottom. Another wire comes this way, down and around, and since I was in the wiring mood, I gave myself 3 of them here. Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, I got my Fiero parts out so I could get motivated and jump back on that. Oh yeah. The Amazon one. Yeah, I don't like it. There we go. The only selling point for me, and I really liked it, this the cover, and it has these little doors. Man, I really liked that. That's why I bought these. And they're not universal. They can't go to these, so that sucks. And these ones, you can find them anywhere. It's your regular hardware store, I don't know. So yeah, I guess don't cheap out like I did.